Come on now. 2 lights? We're going to fix that.
Well, guys, we got lights in the shop that don't come on no more. Either the ballast is bad, the bulbs are bad, they're old fluorescent. I'm doing away with them. I'm upgrading. This is 2019. It's time to put some LEDs up. So that's what we're going to be replacing today.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're replacing these old fluorescent bulbs in the shop down here with a set of LEDs. And I'm not going to do them all just yet, but in time I'll eventually do them all. I got them stacked in there. I got 4 right now, but I've got this one taken apart. Went ahead and pulled the ballast out so we can reuse the ends, so that's nice. And it's a direct replacement, so that's nice as well. Here's the wiring diagram. This is your fluorescent with your ballast. You take your ballast out and just throw that hum box away, and then you just hook it directly to your white and black wires. We've got the yellow run to the white wire, and the red and blue, I had to use a little jumper to get it long enough to reach over, but we got them running to the black wire. So put the panel in and hook these back up. Here's that new LED light bulb. And look at this thing. It's got like an aluminum heat sink on the back, which it would add to rigidity. And these are the 48-inch bulbs, 4 foot. So it's the 2-pin connectors on the ends. Got these little protective caps on them. We'll just pop those off and it fits right into the socket we had. Right here is some information on them. They're 18 watts, 5000 K, and they range voltage from 100 to 277. Current, they don't even draw close to an amp, nowhere near. So that is awesome. They're UL listed, double-ended power. These are going to be nice. Okay guys, there they are installed. They are pretty. There's the old fluorescent lights that, well, either the ballast is bad, bulb's bad, and you can hear them buzzing. They consume a lot of energy. I'm excited to see how these do. Let's go flip the breaker.
Okay guys, we got those LEDs installed in that fixture right there, and we're getting ready to throw the breaker on it, so let's see what happens. Y'all get ready. Oh wow, now we're talking. I like that.
Yes, I can see the work in here now. That is all right. And these are the T8 bulbs. I bought them off Amazon.
Hey guys, I know it was just another short video putting these lights in, but I got them in the mail the other day and been pretty excited wanting to put them in and see what they do. So I'm really pleased with them, and as they keep going out, I'm going to keep replacing them with these right here, because the light output is great, a whole lot less energy consumption, and they're quiet. These other ones, they buzz, and I tell you what, if you don't have the radio cranked down here, you'll go crazy from the buzzing. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep them videos coming. Thank y'all.